Welcome traders to All About Wealth channel, AAW channel. In this episode, we're going to discuss important levels for 18th November 2020, that is for tomorrow. Before we go ahead with the important levels for tomorrow, let us understand what happened today. So I will take you to the 5-minute chart of Nifty. Let me reset this. Okay. We started with a huge gap up, and then we lost all the value till 12,804. After that, Nifty very slowly but gradually went up to 12,880. Now, let us understand what would happen or might happen tomorrow, because nothing is concrete. You need to understand market is the god. It can decide on its own, but on a technical basis, on a technical level, let us understand what are the levels we're going to get for tomorrow. Having said that, let us start. First, I'd like to go to the 1 hour chart of Nifty. Now there's a very important thing which has happened. Try to understand this. 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5. ये जो 5 candle on an hourly basis पे, on hourly chart पे Nifty has formed are all green. That means it is now reached a kind of overbought zone में Nifty has reached. What I would consider tomorrow is Nifty should take a rest. थोड़ा सा consolidation होना ज़रूरी है so that it can start off fresh. Of course, Nifty is in a very bullish trend. Okay, but थोड़ा सा rest, थोड़ा सा consolidation होना ज़रूरी है so that it can start a fresh. As we all know, Nifty doesn't move in one single direction, या एक ही तरफ नहीं जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे तो भी it should take a stop, consolidate and then go up. Now let us understand on a 15-minute chart, what is the level that it might consolidate in case it might consolidate up to. Okay. Now on a 15-minute chart, I understand that 12,840 is an important level. 12,840 अगर ये टूटता है, अगर ब्रेक होता है, then Nifty should take a support of 12,800. Now 12,840, 12,800, this zone becomes a very important buying zones. 12,800 के आसपास अगर मिलता है आपको gap down होके, then you should immediately start thinking to go long. Having said that, now what are the important levels that you should go long till? First level would be somewhere around 12,060 to 12,070. Okay, this should be an important level where it can go long till, and thereafter then it can continue to 12,920, 919 to 920. Okay, it may not stop tomorrow because the important resistance zone is not 12,990 but 12,950 to 960 is the important zone for tomorrow, I think. Okay, so you can go long from this in case you get at somewhere around this level, 12,840 to 12,800. Okay, this is an important buy level zone. यहाँ पे अगर आपको मिलता है तो you can go long for 12,880, 12,920 till 12,650 to 12,950 to 12,060 level तक. I hope I'm clear with this levels. Now let us check Bank Nifty. Again, we'll start with the 1 hour chart. Now again you can see this, the 1 hour chart में यहाँ से it has gone up, okay, without much of a stop. What I mean stop is without going down even a bit. So ये जो level है, it has very clearly sustained. Okay, so to be on a more precise zone, this is the level. It is 12,800 के आसपास it is sustained, and then it is gone up further. Now if you see this, the Nifty is again Bank Nifty is in a overbought territory. Having said so, it can go up a bit. It can take a stop of 29,286, which is an important resistance level, and it can come down again till this 28,800 level. So 28,200 से 28,800, rather 28,800 से 29,200 300 level becomes a very important trading zone for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is again Wednesday. Be very careful. Nifty may option premium will reduce very fast, and you have to be very clear on where you take the trade and where you put a stop loss and where you close your trade. What I would suggest is, if I go to a 5-minute bar, 5-minute chart and reset this, Bank Nifty, let's go to 15-minute chart. I think it's more clear that way. Bank Nifty first, in case अगर gap down होता है तो consider this level of 29,026 at this level. Thereafter it will come down to 28,812. 28,812, let me be very clear, is a good buying zone. You should definitely go long. For first level is 29,286 and then 29,470 के आसपास. Then you should close 29,250 से 29,070 तक you should close or your long position. Okay, so don't wait for it to go anywhere above this. In this level, please close all your long positions out here. You can go long from here. In case यहाँ से अगर आपको लगता है कि निफ्टी ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, नीचे नहीं जाएगा, that means अगर गैप डाउन होता है and if stop somewhere around this level, okay, 29,000 के आसपास अगर stop होता है, then you can consider going long again for this level. But again, what I mean by if it stops at this level, wait for some confirmation. Like agar if it holds on this level, okay, then wait and see for a better trend. Confirm your trend and only then go long for short for 28,800 or long for 29,470 के आसपास के लेवल. Okay, I hope you are very clear with this. 28,800 से लेके 29,000, 29,300 and 29,470 should be a last and final long position where you should close all your long position and book in all your profit. I hope I'm clear with this. I hope you like this video. Please comment, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to like it also in case you have find this to be educative and informative, and hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.